Shockwaves have been sent through the financial and cryptocurrency markets as a result of the recent acquisition of a considerable amount of XRP by the Federal Reserve of the United States. This action has the potential to redraw the boundaries between traditional banking and digital currencies. This essay delves into the complexities of this momentous occasion in history, evaluating the strategic ramifications and anticipating the potential ripple effects across numerous sectors. This transaction is one of the first times that a major central bank has directly engaged with a cryptocurrency on such a large scale, and its significance cannot be understated because it constitutes one of the first examples of such an engagement. The objective of this essay is to present a full analysis of the event, which will include the reasons for the purchase, the potential repercussions, and the future prospects that are associated with this significant acquisition. The cryptocurrency known as Ripple was founded in 2012 and has since established itself as a significant participant in the field of financial technology. It is not simply a cryptocurrency, rather, it is a digital payment technology that gives users the ability to conduct rapid transactions across international borders. Ripple's original digital asset, XRP, is utilized as a bridge currency within the network, which enables individuals to convert between other currencies in a short amount of time. This section of the essay digs into Ripple's forward-thinking approach to global financial transactions, as well as the distinctive characteristics of XRP that set it apart from other cryptocurrencies, essential in order to get a complete understanding of the ramifications that the Federal Reserve's investment has. The Federal Reserve, which is also commonly referred to as the Fed, is the central bank of the United States of America and plays a significant role in determining the state of the economy in the country. It is responsible for a wide range of functions, including inflation management, bank regulation, and the maintenance of a stable financial system, a backdrop for the Federal Reserve's recent entry into the cryptocurrency market is provided by this section, which illustrates the significant role that the Fed plays within the larger economy of the United States. In addition to being a substantial financial move, the decision to purchase XRP is also a strategic movement within the context of its greater mandate. The information that surrounds the Federal Reserve's purchase of XRP is not only extremely extensive in terms of numbers, but it is also abundant in terms of ramifications. According to some sources, the Federal Reserve purchased XRP at a price that was far higher than its current market value. This indicates that the Fed's acquisition was more of a strategic maneuver with long-term ramifications than a simple financial investment. In this section of the article, the details of the transaction are dissected, and the possible inspirations behind the extraordinary action taken by the Federal Reserve are investigated. It is vital to have a thorough understanding of the scope and particulars of this purchase in order to evaluate the influence that it will have on Ripple as well as the cryptocurrency market as a whole. In the immediate aftermath of the news, there was a significant increase in the price of XRP, reflecting the optimistic reaction of the market to the intervention of the Federal Reserve. The impacts, on the other hand, were not limited to XRP. They had an impact on other major cryptocurrencies and sparked a wider conversation about the potential of digital currencies in regulated financial markets. In this section, we take a look at the market dynamics that exist after the announcement, including the reactions that occurred within the cryptocurrency community and the changes that occurred in the behavior of investors. The reaction of the market is a barometer that measures the perceived worth and potential of Ripple's XRP investment after the VAID. There is a complicated regulatory framework that governs cryptocurrencies, and this environment differs greatly from jurisdiction to jurisdiction. The introduction of the Federal Reserve into this arena has implications not only for Ripple but also for the regulatory structure that governs digital currencies, which may undergo a transformation as a result. This section examines the restrictions that are already in place regarding cryptocurrencies and speculates on the ways in which the Federal Reserve's acquisition could potentially impact future policymaking. It is essential for stakeholders to have this conversation in order to successfully navigate the ever-changing landscape of digital finance. There have been a number of hypotheses put forward, notwithstanding the fact that the Federal Reserve has not made public the reasons. Its purchase of XRP. Some people feel that it might be an attempt to stabilize or regulate the cryptocurrency market, while others say that it could be part of a scheme to integrate blockchain technology into the banking system in the United States. The purpose of this section is to provide a comprehensive knowledge of the potential strategic benefits by evaluating a number of hypotheses concerning the Federal Reserve's goals. These hypotheses are made using economic theory and market analytics. The Fed's future actions in this sector can be predicted with the help of this study, which is essential. The purchase of XRP by the Federal Reserve is not the only thing that involves legal complications. This transaction may give rise to a number of legal challenges and discussions, particularly in light of the constant regulatory scrutiny that Ripple is subjected to by organizations such as the SEC. Taking into consideration the ongoing litigation and regulatory postures, this section investigates the probable legal repercussions that could result from the Federal Reserve's purchase. A comprehensive grasp of the broader consequences that this decision will have on Ripple and the cryptocurrency industry as a whole requires a legal viewpoint, which is absolutely necessary. It is a huge endorsement for Ripple that the Federal Reserve has purchased the cryptocurrency, which has the potential to strengthen its position in the market and influence the business tactics that it employs. Ripple may be able to take advantage of new opportunities in the market and in regulatory relations as a result of this development. After the completion of this historic deal, this section examines the potential changes that could occur in Ripple's business operations and strategic direction. A glimpse into the future course of the company can be gained by gaining an understanding of the operational adjustments that Ripple performed after the purchase. As a result of the Federal Reserve's acquisition, there has been a wide range of responses, ranging from a fervent support from members of the cryptocurrency community to skepticism from traditional financial analysts. The fact that this discrepancy exists draws attention to the revolutionary nature of the move as well as the ambiguity that surrounds its long-term effects. In this section, opinions are gathered from a wide variety of public personalities and specialists, offering a spectrum of thoughts on the transaction based on their perspectives. It is essential to have this collective perspective in order to accurately gauge the larger sentiment and prospective adjustments in the dynamics of the market. There are a number of central banks all around the world that have been investigating the possibilities that blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies present. However, the Federal Reserve's involvement with XRP is fairly exceptional in terms of both its scope and its type. Within this section, a comparison is made between the activities taken by the Federal Reserve and those taken by other central banks, such as the European Central Bank and the People's Bank of China. This comparison offers a worldwide perspective on the approaches taken by central banks towards digital currencies. This comparison gives light on a variety of techniques, as well as potential cooperation or conflicts that may come up in the environment. It is possible that the Federal Reserve's acquisition of XRP is a precursor to the broad acceptance of cryptocurrencies within financial systems that are subject to regulation. Nevertheless, this integration presents a number of opportunities as well as obstacles, ranging from optimizing the efficiency of transactions to ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements. This section provides a projection of the potential future of cryptocurrencies within the context of mainstream regulated finance. It does so by evaluating patterns and making predictions regarding how similar movements are likely to be implemented by other financial institutions. A landscape that is blending. The decision made by the Federal Reserve to make a significant investment in Ripple's XRP represents a significant crossroads in the confluence of traditional finance and cryptocurrency investments. Within the scope of this article, the ramifications of this event have been investigated from a variety of perspectives, including market reactions, regulatory modifications, strategy shifts, and legal issues. Following the clearing of the dust, the financial and cryptocurrency worlds will most certainly be paying careful attention to determine how this courageous step will impact the overall landscape. It is not yet known whether this acquisition will turn out to be a strategic masterstroke or a regulatory quagmire. Nonetheless, it is certain that its consequences will have repercussions that will be felt across a variety of industries for many years to come. By the Federal Reserve of the United States to purchase Ripple's XRP for an astounding $10,000 per unit, a move that has the potential to radically alter the face of both the cryptocurrency market and the larger financial system as a whole.